Every day, applications drop promising to do your work. The market is buried in tools claiming to automate your life with zero effort. Expecting a single chat window to run your entire operation is a guaranteed way to fail. One language model cannot act as your marketing team, your financial analyst, and your lead developer all at the exact same time. Most professionals struggle because they possess a surplus of software, but zero operational alignment. Adding more tools won't help if they don't match the specific requirements of your workflow. Right now, every tool on the market is governed by a harsh trade-off: broad generalization versus narrow specialization. This quadrant chart maps that dynamic. Generalist plug-and-play models like ChatGPT sit on one side, and specialized systems like N8N on the other. Sticking to plug-and-play generalists sacrifices complex pipelines, but custom integrations require a steep learning curve and upfront setup. To cut through the noise, we are dividing this landscape into 3 functional tool stacks. Each one is built to target and solve a highly specific operational bottleneck. You will only see a return on your investment if you pinpoint exactly where your workflow gets stuck before you ever pay for a subscription. This flowchart isolates the first major bottleneck: information processing. This covers the daily grind of drafting emails, researching topics, and logically synthesizing data. For these tasks, ChatGPT remains the most obedient logic engine available. If you give it a strict multi-step checklist using chain-of-thought prompting, it will hit every single requirement without dropping the ball. The cost of that obedience is a robotic tone in its writing and an interface that struggles when you try to feed it massive mixed media files. That brings us to Google Gemini, which operates as the premier multi-modal synthesizer for today's heavy data users. This visualization shows how Gemini natively ingests hour-long videos, raw audio recordings, and massive PDFs in a single prompt. However, Gemini routinely skips steps. Hand it a complex set of formatting instructions, and it will often take shortcuts. If you are doing deep research where accuracy is non-negotiable, you need tools like NotebookLM or Perplexity. They anchor their answers strictly in cited documents, preventing the model from inventing facts. Optimizing your daily tasks comes down to choosing the specific reasoning model that fits the exact type of data you need to process. Looking back at our flowchart, the second bottleneck is content generation. This is for scaling high-quality text and media output without hiring a full production team. When it comes to writing, Claude Projects produces the most human-sounding first drafts and highly functional code available right now. To achieve that quality, you have to upload extensive examples of your past work to train the system. You are effectively building a highly specific copywriter persona. You will have to work around its restricted web search capabilities and be prepared to hit strict usage caps quickly. Moving from text to audio and video, synthetic media tools like HeyGen, 11 Labs, and NanoBanana allow solo creators to scale their visual presence. Image manipulation software allows users to seamlessly insert themselves into entirely synthetic environments or stand convincingly alongside high-profile public figures like Shah Rukh Khan. But synthetic media carries severe risks. Falling into the uncanny valley with stiff avatars or robotic voice clones can permanently damage the trust and authenticity you have built with your audience. Creators must utilize AI to do the heavy lifting of volume production, while fiercely protecting the human elements that make their work unique. The final branch of our flowchart targets system automation. This is for operators who need to remove human dependency from repetitive, revenue-generating actions. Platforms like N8N and Make.com act as orchestrators. They allow you to build autonomous workflows that run silently in the background. Getting these running requires steep upfront costs. You have to map out complex conditional logic and troubleshoot fragile API connections yourself. There is real operational risk here. If an API breaks silently, it can sever your client communications or ruin your data tracking without throwing a single warning. Beyond back-end orchestration, AI sales agents like Your Atlas and Revio act as autonomous 24/7 prospect qualifiers. To deploy voice agents safely, you must lock them inside strict conversational guardrails. They require exact parameters for your pricing models and FAQs, so they don't hallucinate a random discount to a caller. Business automation forces a strict trade-off. You endure a brutal technical learning curve in exchange for permanent, scalable operational leverage. This summary matrix illustrates that extracting true return on investment from AI depends on structural alignment. If you are an everyday optimizer, your ideal stack prioritizes fast, low-barrier productivity. You rely on ChatGPT for strict logic, Claude for drafting, and Notebook LM for secure, hallucination-free document synthesis. For creators scaling media without losing authenticity, your stack revolves around Claude projects for copywriting and HeyGen or 11 Labs for audiovisual scaling. And if you are a business operator, your objective is to completely remove human bottlenecks from sales and operations. You need to transition away from basic chat interfaces and move toward N8N for orchestration and your Atlas to handle voice agents. Identify your single greatest workflow bottleneck and master the specific tool stack that solves it. Success in AI requires adopting focus over hype.